Welcome to RPA Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how to add new user into Automation Hub. When we are working into the Automation Hub, we wanted to add any user, simply navigate into the admin console. From admin console, here we have assigned rules and roles. So these are the details which is available here. So if we are the administrator or RPA sponsor, or we are the system admin, we can add a new users within our group. So here I wanted to access the accounts. And from here, if I want to add any rule, assign rules, simply I will navigate it to here or adding the user. Let's see, my email ID is right D. So this is already added user. I have to specify email ID, first name, last name, job title, city, business unit, and department. Post that, we have to provide the licenses. So either that person is system admin, RP sponsor, or component creator, program manager, or idea approver. These all permissions we can specify it. Once these permissions will be done, probably we'll go ahead with the tagging the business unit. So if that person is related with the human resource or information technology, we can select based on their title. And role is here. We can either provide project manager, business analyst, solution architect, or RPA developer. So these are collaborator role. Once we are done, click on save and the new user is added successfully. Now, if I want to edit any user informations, then also I will be able to do it simply. Maybe I want to change the first name or last name. I will be able to change it here. If I want to update the rule, I will be able to update the rules as well. Even if it is required, we want to delete the user. This is how we can add or edit any user from Automation Hub. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.